look for a common reference point. Listen to me very carefully. Look for a common reference point. Go through their social media profile. See what are the things that they're interested in. Are they interested in playing a game? Are they interested in doing an activity? Are they interested in being involved with something else? Find out a common reference point. Then interact with them because of that common reference point. I will give you an example. The very first time when we were featured on Your Story, how did that connection happen? So Saurabh was following Shraddha's profile. Shraddha is the owner of Your Story. He commented on one of our posts. She did not respond. She might not have noticed. She had a lot of followers. We did it again. We did it again. Then she responded to one of them. Saurabh took a screenshot, posted it online. I'm happy that I got a reply from her. She again responded. Then we asked her for her email ID. Then we shared our story with her and we asked her, do you think this is a story that can be posted on your story profile? She said, yes, this is a very interesting story and would motivate and inspire a lot of people. She sent it to her team and we got featured on their platform. So it's all about finding that common reference point and getting those results. People see you need to find out innovative ways. It's not just about earning money and then putting that money into your business to get more results. No, it's about finding out different ways, connecting with people. You know how I converted an individual? Her name is Jayashri Rajendran. She's from Dubai. Okay. I saw her name. I looked for her in on Facebook. I saw her profile. I sent her a personal message. Hi, I'm Rahul Bhatnagar. This was way back when we had started our program. Hi, I'm Rahul Bhatnagar. I saw that you were interested in my program, but you have not yet enrolled. Can I help you with any query? And then she said, she somehow responded. And within 10 minutes, by the way. And she said that, Rahul, I am a little skeptical as to how an online program would help me in my communication story to grow my communication skills. I'm like, good. I interacted with her. Within half an hour, she bought my program. So I found a common reference point. I realized that she was a part of an online community for speaking. And that is what we did. And that is how we were able to get results. So you need to find out a common reference point, connect with those people. And believe me, you will find out a way to generate revenue. You will find out a way to get that sale to happen for you. Think about it, people. I want you to think and write it in your diary right now. What can be a common reference point for your audience? And here is the task for you. Importance of a common reference point during follow-up.